Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 144 Laravel 11 add more HTML form field tutorial part 2 and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Lara underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor successfully. This is a project is open. Let's this project directory inside cmd open means this directory inside this successfully. This is a cmd open this project directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully working. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working. Project is a successfully working. Good latest version. Let's first of all route is open. Route inside this web.php open. Inside this new route is a create. Add more. This is a new route is a create. Let's route get method route get add more category controller. This is a category controller class and this is a index. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's same here copy. Inside this is a new implement use app http controller and paste here. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this and paste here. Inside the same here implementation. This good working. Let's same copy app http controller and this is a successfully controller. Let's new controller create blade PSP successfully create. This is a controller is a successfully create. Let's same here block controller open this copy and paste here and this is a name is a copy and paste here and this is a name is only sense. This is a category controller. Same here category controller successfully working fine. This is a remove. This is a good working and this is a controller. Inside this is a implementation and save. Inside this include the same copy public function and paste here. Save file. Successfully paste here. Let's request $request. This is a fine. All good. All good. This is a fine. Successfully implementation. Next is inside this return view add more. This is a new file is a create add more. Let's save file. Let's same here copy. Inside this is a resource. Inside this view inside this new file is a create new blade.php successfully create blade www.errorsolutioncode.com. save file. Let's refresh this page. This is the same URL is a copy. This is a copy and refresh this page. Successfully working food slash and add more. This is a working fine. This is a my official website. This is a fine. First of all, this is a route is a create route. Inside this is a model controller is a create control. Inside this file is a create and this is a show. This is a 111 and this is a show. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a show and this is the name is available. This is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We here to help 24/7. Anytime contact this WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Always I am available. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. All good. All good. Let's remove this and this save file and this is again refresh this page and this is a blank. All good. This is a blank. Successfully set. Let's step by step implementation. Form is a implementation. Let's HTML and this is a add more example. this is a title is a set. Successfully this is a title is a set. This title is available inside this title. This is a title is a successfully set. All good. This title is a successfully set. Inside this step-by-step implementation, this is a CSS file. First of all, this first CSS file is implementation good. Next is implement. This is a CSS, all CSS file. Third is available main jQuery means JS file. Please write down. This is a live file is a write down. All implementation. Body inside this div is a create, div class, container class container is a set, and this is the enter. This is div class card empty5, and this is a s3 tag is a create. S3 tag is a create. This is a tag is a successfully create. Let's refresh this page. This is a page is a refresh. Working fine. This is just good. This is a working fine. Next is the implementation. Form is the implementation. Miss T card body. Inside this div card body. Save file. Let's method. Form method is the implementation. Form method post action. This is a name is available multiple form data. This is a name is a save. This is a encrypt type is a set. All good. This is a fine, and this is form is a successfully implementation. Let's create product, otherwise category any set. This is a create product set file. Let's refresh this page. This is a page, and successfully create product, otherwise this create category any implementation. Me implement this create product. Next is a implement. This is a div class group. This is a class group is a set. Inside this is a label. This is a label is a set. Inside this input type is a txt. Name is a blank, not use class. Form controller, placeholder, enter name. Value is a blank. All good. The next is again the save file and refresh this page. This is a page is a refresh this page. Successfully this is a good. This is a successfully set. Fine. Next is a table is a create table name. This is a table is a create, and t head tr ts call span to add stock and next is a ts button. This is a ts button. This is a button is a set. This is a all good. This is a fine. Let's refresh this page. This page is a refresh. Successfully available. This is a add more is a working fine. This is a button is a implementation. This is a add stock. This is a method is a post. Wait, this is not a implementation. This is a implementation after 100% working. This is a form inside. This is a implementation. This is a form inside this implementation, otherwise working is a fine. In next is a set, add more. This is a implementation button. Next t body start, t body. Inside this t body and t body is a close. and this is a T body. Inside this form is the implementation tr and td. Input number, class form controller, placeholder quantity, td input number. Name is a not implement, this is a class, not a name, this is a class. Inside this name is a set, this is a blank class form controller. Placeholder is a price, placeholder price. Last is a td set td. This is a button is a implementation, this is a button is a successfully implementation save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully implementation, good working. This is a delete button is a set, this is a delete button is a set, good working. This is a fine, this is a calls pen is a 2 is a implementation, fine. Next is a else part is a implementation, this is a else part. Let's write down else else part. This is a close this else part set. The same name is a tr td input type number, name, class form controller, placeholder quantity. Again td input type number, name is a name, class form controller, placeholder is a price, td button is a set, this is a button is a implementation. Successfully button is a set, successfully button is a set, this is a button is a set. Let's refresh this page, and this is a else part is a implementation, this is a if and this is a else part. Same here, else part is a implementation. Last is a table is a this is a close. Inside this last is a submit button is a implementation. This is a div class form group m2, and this is a button is a set. Successfully button is a good, this is the button is a successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this is a work successfully, this is a form, this is a add. Inside this is a implement new field, and this is the next video is a implementation. Please write down, this is a step by step, this file is a write down. Lost of work is a implementation, and this is a field is available, this one field, and click this. Inside this category inside this is available, this is a name, this is a name is a implement, and this quantity and price, this is a category, subcategory is a available, this subcategory and quantity and price, this is a multiple, this is a category id, this category id. The same here, inside this multiple, inside this single, all good. Please write down, this is a write down, all write down. This is a part is a done. Next part is a this is only 1 to 10 part is a available, 1 to 10 part available this series. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This part is done. Thank you.